Prepare yourself for a cooler weekend. For the first time in 2 weeks, we're talking about highs in the 40s. Our average high is 53. We'll have to settle for 46 in Indy today. That does come with a chance of showers, mainly south of Interstate 70, and I think they will be spotty throughout the afternoon. Spring officially arrives just after midnight tonight, but look at what the new season brings in. Temperatures Sunday morning starting off in the 20s, and as we go throughout your Sunday, mostly cloudy to partly sunny skies, temperatures only recovering into the middle 40s.